Hi everyone, Helga here. If you're looking for the perfect accessory for spring and summer, these candy bracelets are exactly what you need. The coquette style is peaking right now. Of course you can make them in any color, but today I'm feeling a soft marshmallow vibe. For this project, I'm using size 10 Preciosa seed beads and 6mm pearl beads. Make sure to use these exact sizes to get the same look as mine. You'll also need some jewelry findings for the clasp. I'll be weaving with Miyuki thread. I'm cutting about 63 inches of thread and threading my needle in a single layer without any knots. Step 1. Pick up 4 pink seed beads, 1 pearl bead, and 3 yellow seed beads. Slide them down and pass the needle through the 4 pink seed beads and the pearl bead. Pull it tight. The seed beads should wrap around the pearl. Leave about an 8-inch tail of thread. We'll use it later to attach the clasp. Next, pick up 4 yellow and 3 pink seed beads. Insert the needle into the pearl bead so these beads wrap around it. Once tightened, pass the needle up through the 4 yellow seed beads and then through the 3 pink ones. That's 7 seed beads in total, the entire arch. Pull it firmly. Now pick up 1 pink seed bead and pass the needle through all 7 seed beads of the opposite arch. Add 1 yellow seed bead here and pass the needle through only the 4 yellow seed beads. Don't forget to keep your tension tight. For the next circle, pick up 3 yellow seed beads, 1 pearl bead, and 3 pink seed beads. Pass the needle through the yellow seed bead from the previous circle. Then thread the needle through the 3 yellow seed beads and down through the pearl bead. Now pick up 4 pink and 3 yellow seed beads. Insert the needle down into the pearl bead. Pass completely through the 7 seed beads of the right arch, moving upwards. Add 1 new yellow seed bead and go down through the 7 seed beads of the left arch. Pick up one pink seed bead and pass the needle up through the 4 pink seed beads. That's 2 circles finished. Now for the third one. Pick up 3 pink seed beads, 1 pearl bead, and 3 yellow seed beads. Pass the needle through the pink seed bead from the previous circle. Once tightened, go through the 3 pink seed beads and then down through the pearl bead. Pick up 4 yellow and 3 pink seed beads. Insert the needle down into the pearl bead. After tightening, pass through all 7 seed beads of the right arch. Add 1 new pink seed bead and go through the 7 seed beads of the left arch. Add 1 yellow and pass the needle through the 4 yellow seed beads. From here, the pattern repeats. I'm sure you'll do great! For my size, I made 15 of these beaded circles. Now, let's add the clasp. On one side, I take a closed jump ring and secure it to the last seed bead at least 3 times. To fix the thread, I weave it further into the piece. Make a small loop, pass the needle through and pull slowly to create a knot. Pass the needle further so the knot hides inside a seed bead. Repeat this a few more times. Then, pull the thread tight and trim the excess. Thread your needle on the other side of the bracelet and do the same. Attach the closed jump ring. Now on one side, I add a lobster clasp. And on the other, an extension chain using a regular open jump ring. That's the closure finished. For my other bracelets, I also used magnetic clasps to make them easier to put on. I hope yours turned out beautiful too. Let me know in the comments what jewelry I should make next. See you in the next video.